Hello students. Students, today we are about to discuss what is physics. Just we have to define the physics. So in physics you can say the branch of science which deals with properties of matter and energy and their mutual relationship. Students, you should have to know what is matter. So matter is anything which has mass and occupy space. And also the other word in this definition is energy. And what is energy? So energy is basically ability of a body to do work. So you have to know the meanings of the words which are used in these particular definitions of physics. In our education system, no one knows, or our students didn't know what are the examples of the physics basically in our daily life. So we here just discuss an example which is, you can say that the burning of hydrogen in sun and change into energy, that is heat. So what is the relation between matter and energy? That hydrogen as a matter burned in the sun and give us the energy in the form of heat, and this is the